Hey guys, Vincent Motorwork. Today I'm just going to go over a few reasons why this 2015 BMW X5 suffered a premature engine failure. This is a replacement engine that's going to be going in the vehicle. This vehicle has 160,000 kilometers on it, and due to poor maintenance, the engine failed, and now we're going to have to swap in this engine, lower mileage, about 40,000 K on it. So this is the original engine that came out of that X5. As you can see, they stuck to a more lengthy maintenance interval. The engine has quite a bit of buildup of gunk in the timing assembly. And what actually ended up happening was this lack of lubrication seized the camshaft on the exhaust side. It would be this one, and actually sheared the bolt off the end of the camshaft, causing the camshaft to lose timing, at which point the valves contacted pistons and the engine is now destroyed. Some manufacturers recommend between 15 to 20,000 kilometers between oil services. We typically like to see oil services done between 6 to 12,000 kilometers. Obviously this can help prevent any of that buildup of sludgy oil contaminants and moisture within your oil, and this will extend the life of your engine and hopefully prevent you from having to do a premature engine repair as significant as this one.